Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Trying to log into Telegram but not receiving the verification code? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix this issue step by step. Let's jump right in. First thing first, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router if needed. Now double check that you have entered the correct phone number including your country code. A simple typo can cause Telegram not to send the code. If you don't receive the SMS, wait a few minutes. Telegram might offer to send the code via a phone call or another logged in device. Some carriers block Telegram's messages, or you might have enabled blocked numbers on your phone. Check your SMS settings and contact your carrier if needed. Still no luck? Restart your phone and try reinstalling Telegram. This can clear any app glitches causing the issue. If nothing works, head over to Telegram support page and report the issue. They can help you regain access to your account. And that's it. Follow these steps and you should be able to receive your verification code in no time. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.